students, let's discuss the question. In this question, we are given that the Namita travels 20 km, 50 meter every day. Out of this, she travels 10 km, 200 meter by bus and the rest by auto. So, how much distance does she travel by the auto? So, we can say that the total distance traveled by Namita is equals to 20 kilometer 50 meter. It is given that she traveled 10 kilometer 200 meter by bus. So we can say that the distance traveled by bus is equals to 10 kilometer 200 meter, and it is given that the rest is traveled by the auto. So we can say that the distance traveled by auto is equals to total distance minus the distance traveled by the bus. So the total distance she traveled is 20 kilometer and 50 meter minus the distance she traveled from bus is 10 kilometer 200 meter. So when we subtract the distance traveled by her through bus from the total distance, we get the distance traveled by her from auto. So we can say that 20 kilometer 50 meter can be written as 20 kilometer plus 50 meter minus 10 kilometer 200 meter can be written as 10 kilometer plus 200 meter. So here we are going to subtract this separately. 20 kilometer plus 50 meter minus 10 kilometer minus 200 meter. So 20 kilometer minus 10 kilometer become equals to 10 kilometer, and 50 meter minus 200 meter become equals to minus 150 meter. This is in kilometer, this is meter. So in order to subtract this from this, we have to convert this meter into kilometer. We know that 1 kilometer is equals to the 1000 meter. So 1 meter from here is equals to 1 divided by the 1000 kilometer. So 150 meter become equals to 150 multiplied by the 1 divided by the 1000 meter. We are going to cancel this from this. Solving this, we get the value as 0.15 kilometer. So this from here become equals to 10 kilometer minus 150 meter is 0.15 kilometer. So we are going to subtract 0.15 from 10. So this from here become equals to 10 minus 0.15. We can add decimal and 0 after this term because they are not significant. We have to subtract 5 from 0. This can't be possible, so we are going to take the value from the previous term, as both these terms are 0. So we are going to take this from 1. So 1 this from here become equals to 0, and this 0 become equals to 10. So we have to take 1 from 10. So 10 become equals to 9, and this 0 become equals to 10. Again we have to take 1 from this 10. So this 10 become equals to 9, and this 0 become equals to 10. So 10 minus 5 is 5, and this become equals to 9. So 9 minus 1 is 8. Point will remain as it is. 9 minus 0 is 0. So we can say that the distance traveled by auto is equals to 9.85 kilometer. So this is the answer to given question. So students, in order to solve this problem, we use the basic concept of decimals. I hope you understood the concept well. Thank you.
Don't forget to like and subscribe.